In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off auto flash mode on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app, and after that, tap right here at that icon. That will show you that toolbar just above that shutter icon, shutter button, and that's where we can easily find that icon. If we tap on it, we'll be able to switch flash mode from auto to on, always on or always off. And that's how you can easily switch between that modes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.